Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am in what I consider to be my dream house. I am in Brooklyn in a full townhouse. It's 4 stories. Now if you're in New York, we don't have these, well at least in the city, we don't have these huge big houses with lots of land to each side of it in the back. What we have are brownstones and townhouses, and they are some of the most beautiful houses. So for us New Yorkers, kind of like this is our dream. And this 4-story house is listed for $8,500. If I had it, I would live here. So I'm calling this my dream house. Start from walking in to the front door. You're going to see at the bottom these beautiful original marble inlaid tiles and these beautiful wrought iron doors, entryway doors. And coming up on the original door, I'm so glad they kept this, it looks like possibly mahogany door, and it had some writing on it. Most of it's gone, but at least it kept the love. And I think that is so cute. Coming into the front, you have this beautiful bay window that spans most of the width of the building, and the building I believe is 21 feet wide. And you can see how much natural light comes in here. I could literally sit on one of these windowsills and sunbathe all day. Then you turn around and you get to see the full view of the room. I'm sure I'm not the only one who's obsessed with mirrors. And most of these old townhomes had these mirrors built into the living room area. And I love that they keep them and just clean them up because they bounce so much light around the room in the living space. By the way, this dress is from Nyasia. It's 90 degrees out today, even though it's the beginning of October. Stepping over to the open plan kitchen, the first thing I'm drawn to is this huge bright red oven. I feel like this is the closest I'm gonna get to like chef cooking. You have 5 burners. I don't know exactly what all of these knobs are for, if there's only 5 burners and 1 oven, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 knobs. So that's why I don't belong in the kitchen, because I don't know what's going on here. With a house like this, I'm sure you're entertaining a lot, so there's a huge wine fridge, and this would probably get the most use for me. And it has 2 different temperatures, so you can control different temperatures for different types of beverages. You learn something new every day. I also like it that they kept pretty classic with the style of the kitchen. So the marble countertops and the white cabinets, it just keeps it very clean so that you can add your own kind of flair to it in your own colors. The only color in here is the red stove oven. Did I just make up a word? The only color that's in here is the red stove / oven. And I feel like red can kind of be a neutral, and since it's only 1 piece out of the whole kitchen, it makes it a clean palette for you to come in and put your own spin and colors to it. Before we leave the kitchen, how many people can say they have a huge original fireplace in their kitchen? Like, I feel like that's kind of like some bragging rights that you can have. There are so many focal points just in this living room alone, but I think my favorite is the exposed brick and the open stairs. I think they just did such a good job with that. Walking up the first flight of stairs, we're going to hit the 2nd floor. And on this floor, we have 2 bedrooms, or 3, if you want to consider this middle room a bedroom. So 2 bedrooms and an office, or 3 bedrooms. There are full baths and 2 half baths in this house. And this one here on the 2nd floor is one of the full baths that would be shared by that kind of office or bedroom, and then this bedroom that's back here. I actually love this pattern that they have on the floor. It goes perfectly with the marble countertops. Most bathrooms in New York do not have these recessed lighting at the top. You would only have this light that's here, and you can see that that does not give off much. But with these extra lights in here, it makes it so bright. Coming over to this middle room here, this would be considered, I guess, an office or a den. You could technically use this as a bedroom. I would use it as a bedroom if maybe your roommates share it. But I guess if you're a family, this could be a play area or even an office. The last room on the second floor is one of 2 master bedrooms, which also include master bath. The second floor and the third floor on this side of the house are identical. The only difference is here on the second floor, this master bedroom has a beautiful, ornate, decorative fireplace that I could literally wake up to. If you wanted the bed to go this way, you would only be able to fit a queen size bed because it would butt up against the decorative fireplace here. So you'd have to be okay with a queen. Otherwise, you would do it this way, with 2 nightstands on either side, or 1 if you're me, and your TV would go there. See, I just laid it out perfectly for you. You could just come, move in. You don't have to do anything. I did everything for you. Now that I've contemplated for way too long in a place that I'm not moving into, but I wish I was, where I would put the bed, let's go to the bathroom. So you see the bathroom is very similar to the other bathrooms in the house. The only thing they changed for this one is the pattern on the tile. We're heading up to the top floor, and luckily I'm used to walking upstairs. This room is right above the office that was on the second floor. And the best part of this room by far is another original fireplace. I'm sure all of the fireplaces in this house are just decorative and have been boarded up where the chimney were, but they're beautiful to have nonetheless. Now we head to the penthouse master bedroom. Whoever is paying the bills is the person who should take this room. Actually, let me take that back. Not just take this room, but take the whole entire floor. Like that would be my office. Where is it? Right there. That would just be my second bathroom right there. I know that this bedroom has its own bath, but if I'm paying the bills, I want 2 bathrooms. I don't know for what, but I just think that that's what I should have. Okay, so I saved the recreational space in the basement for last. It'd be perfect for a man cave or girl cave as well. And it has the washer dryer downstairs. So let's head to the last space. We're in the basement. And normally you would never catch me in a basement because I'm afraid of all things bugs and rats and mice. So when you think of a basement, let's be honest, you think of dirty and moldy and the ceiling kind of caving down from like water damage or something like that. But this is a completely different world. This is a basement that I would actually hang out in. The main function for me would obviously be coming down for the washer dryer. I could see someone making this an entire entertaining living space. Realistically, this is the size of a large 1-bedroom in the city. So there's definitely tons that you can do with the space other than it just being a laundry room. You could do a big couch against the pillars here and then an entertainment center on the wall. And if you have kids, maybe a play area over here or maybe like a pool table. Just don't use these poles as a stripper pole. I don't think that's gonna work.